How to change Outlook background color. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can change Outlook background color. So you can see that once you see my Outlook, you can see that the background color is dark, right? Now, if yours is white and then you're thinking of how you can change it, or if it's dark and you're thinking of how you can change it, I'll show you watch this video to the end. The first step is to log in into your Outlook account, alright, either using your PC or your mobile phone. And then once you're logged in, you'll see the home page, you'll see favorites by the left side and then the folders. And then the next step is to move to the top right corner where you can see options like Teams, Notion, etc. Just click on the settings icon that you can see there. And then once you can see the settings icon, this box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see some options by the left side, which include general, email, calendar, people. Just click on general. And then once you click on general, towards the right side, you'll see a menu displaying options like language and time, appearance, notifications, etc. Make sure you click on appearance. And then once you click on appearance, the box displayed, you can see the different appearance, you can see the different themes, you can see modern themes, and again you can see classic themes. Alright, you can select all of this, but since it's the color you want to work with, just click on light. And as you can see, the color has been changed, so click on save, and just like that the background color would be changed. Very simple. I'm sure you try it out today. Thanks for watching.